Hi, this is Doug Dvorak, speaker and trainer. I'm here with Michelle, executive director of the Mountain Youth Organization here in Vail, Colorado, and Nick, the marketing director with the organization. We're doing a pre-planning event for the October 23rd extravaganza and fundraiser at the Vail Nordic Center in Vail, Colorado. It's going to be a great night of education, networking, and really understanding the great work that Michelle, Nick, and their staff and constituents bring to the Vail Valley to really bring the message of drug addiction and recovery to youth that are struggling today. Carpe diem.